Brays Bayou comes up over its banks, and by morning, there's a waterline on the baseboards a foot off the floor in Meyerland. Houston floods this way more than most cities its size. We pump and extract what came in, whether it rose from the bayou or backed up through the slab joints after 2 days of rain. Storm drains on the street can only keep up with so much. Floodwater usually carries street runoff or bayou silt, so anything it touched that cannot be sanitized comes out of the house. That is a different cleanup than a clean water leak. Getting the slab and framing dried down completely matters as much as pumping the water out. This humidity does not forgive anything left damp. If the same storm brought roof or wind damage, that's a separate repair from the flooding we handle. We stick to what the water did and start from there. Floodwater working its way into your place? Call us 346-313-8009.